Hey everybody, I'm attorney Carmen Dellutri with the Dellutri Law Group, and I want to answer a few questions that I get on a regular basis for people who are involved in a car accident and don't know where to turn. What they do is they reach out to me and they send me a quick email saying, Carmen, I got this quick question for you, and I'm happy to answer it for them. And again, the reason why is over the last 20 years, we've built a tremendous following of people who trust us and who like us, and I always encourage people to reach out to me with questions that you may have. So the question came in actually from an old client of ours who was a client that we helped probably 10 years ago. And her daughter, probably about 17, 18 years old, was recently involved in an accident, and she didn't know whose medical bills or how the medical bills were going to get paid. So let's just talk about that real quick. After an accident, if you're injured, you're going to incur medical bills. The first place you want to look for your medical bills to be paid is from your PIP auto insurance. In other words, your own auto insurance carrier is primary. So what might happen is, let's say you go to the emergency room and they request that you get an MRI of your lower back. Well, obviously you want to submit that bill to your PIP auto insurance carrier, whoever your PIP is with. Let's just say it's State Farm. So I carry State Farm. I would turn to State Farm and say, hey State Farm, I got this MRI bill and this emergency room bill, please pay it. Well, what happens after that $10,000 is exhausted? Well, then you would look towards your primary insurance, which would be your, what do you call it, your personal insurance or your health insurance, whatever you want to call it. That's a secondary insurance when it comes to auto accidents. Now, I know it gets kind of crazy because you normally think, well, I'm going to look towards my health insurance if it has something to do with my health. Normally that would be correct, but an auto accident is a special circumstance. So now what you've got to do is look to your PIP first and your health insurance second. I'm just glad you have both of them. Somebody's going to pay those bills for you. Now, if you do have the right to go after the person who caused the accident, well, that's a game changer, because now we're going to go after the other side for you and try to get your bills paid. Now, do we have to pay back the health insurer? Yeah, we have to pay them back something. We try not to pay them back everything, but we try to pay them back something. But PIP is always primary. Start there. Get those medical bills paid, then look to your private health insurance company, and then if you sustained a permanent injury as a direct result of the accident, then we can go after the other guy's insurance company. Let's call them Allstate. And we're going to try to get Allstate to compensate you for everything you're entitled to. That'd be medical bills, pain and suffering, you name it, we go after it. So hopefully that answers that question. And this way, everybody knows in an auto accident, PIP is primary, private health insurance is second, and then if you can go after the other side, fantastic. Folks, I'm attorney Carmen Dellutri, helping you with your auto accidents from drunk drivers, negligent drivers, distracted drivers for the last 20 years in Southwest Florida. If you have a question, you know who to call.
Thank you for taking the time to watch. I'm Casey Byers with the Dellutri Law Group. If you liked what you saw in this video, then do us a favor by liking or commenting below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information and other available helpful resources. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.